several packs of magnetic material. In fact, 4 kinds. Another kind here. And these things are hidden because we're talking about metal here in a powdered form. This way we can make our own blend of magnetic materials, not something you can buy off the shelf. Here's another type of magnetic material. This is ferrite, so we may utilize some of that. So altogether we have 4 to work with, and we'll see how that goes. We gotta experiment and see if we get good magnetic patterns out of it.
And this is 60 Rockwell stuff, and it worked okay. So then I made this, and it was only 45 Rockwell, and as you can see, it's scarred it. The magnetic material is very abrasive. So our goal is to reproduce this ring without having them preformed. We want to mix our own materials and preform our own molds. Heat treating materials for the molds that we're making for the magnetic material. So it's a pretty gnarly furnace, as you can see. We've already accomplished some heat treating with it. What we've done is we've developed tooling to create the magnetic ring that we're going to use as a segment. What you're going to have is the cylinder is going to compress and create the magnet. As you can see, that's our shape that we're looking for. So basically we've engineered a 4-piece tooling system that will mold the rings that we're going to try to magnetize using our own powders. You'll be able to apply the powders into this chamber, as you can see, into here, and we'll pour the powders, mixed powders, into this cylinder area, and then we'll be applying probably 25 tons of pressure to compress these into the magnetic segments. So the new press that we're working on is going to help us obtain that, and it'll get us to the dimensions that we're looking for. Basically the wall is going to look just like it does in the machine shop now. Press, mill, lathe, small lathe, work area. Later on, there'll be a small QC area probably, and then future down the line, hopefully we'll have another CNC mill here somewhere doing the large tooling for later down the line.
And that would be the magnetic layer.
Yeah, with Bakelite. This is just to get us a shape, a form, and getting to where he can start hitting it on magnetizing it.